I'm Mackenzie, and this is Simon, and this is Block 2.
I know. This is a colored diagram of a cell cycle. As you can see, there are many parts to it which make it last from 1 day to 100 days. But what is constant throughout those very days is that the interface lasts 90 to 99% of the time. I can also tell you where it starts and where it ends. It first starts with one cytokinesis and then goes through all the various interphases. And then it creates another cytokinesis when the cycle is done.
This awesome piece of work is called interphase. What happens during interphase? Well, I'll tell you. The cell is doing its normal function. During interphase, the cell doubles everything in its cytoplasm. Another thing that happens is replication. Replication is where all the organelles get duplicated.
These 4 slides are all part of mitosis. The first one is called prophase. In prophase, the nuclear membrane dissolves, then chromatin coils up into a chromosome. The centrioles move to the poles of the cell, and then the spindles attach to the chromosomes at the centriole.
This is metaphase. In metaphase, spindles move the chromosomes to the equator of the cell.
This phase is called anaphase. In anaphase, the spindles pull apart the chromosomes at the centromere. Then, the non-sister chromatins separate and go to each end.
The last phase, but not the least, is telophase. In telophase, spindles disappear, then the nuclear membrane forms around each set of chromosomes.
This picture is of cytokinesis. This is the final step of the cell cycle. What it does is it separates the 2 nuclei into 2 daughter cells. The way that the cell is divided is a contractile ring. The ring wraps around the cell like a belt and squeezes it so hard that it splits in half and makes the 2 daughter cells.
That's upside down. These are the stages in interphase. Gap 1, synthesis. Gap 2, and then it goes to mitosis. In Gap 1, the cell is doing its normal cell functions, but when it hits synthesis, everything is copied. All the organelles, the nucleus, they're all copied. And then when it hits Gap 2, everything goes back to normal and is doing its normal functions. Then it hits mitosis. This is a chromosome. These are the parts of chromosomes: centromere, chromatins, and sister chromatins. Sister chromatins are exact copies of each other. Thank you for listening to our science presentation. Mackenzie and Simon signing out. Thank you, Kelowna.
Peace.